spot here. Yeah, just pulling them left and right.
Oh yeah. They said here you can do this.
Yeah, one on.
How? That fast? No, I don't.
Are you? Oh, look at that thing.
Are you kidding? Catch of the day right here.
Biggest one of the day.
Dude, really?
You said I haven't.
Does that work better for your weirdness over there?
Yeah.
Mia caught a toad.
Oh,
Just yo-yo that thing. Drop it all the way down the bottom. Let it until you feel it hit the bottom.
Just pick it up and down.
And then pick it up and down and keep your line tight as you're going down, and you'll feel him hit it. Go ahead and reel it up a little tighter and a little tighter. Tighter right there. Nope, there he is.
Got one on there.
Yeah. Oh, he got off.
Too much slack in the line and I can't feel it hitting.
Yeah, just as you're going down, just keep that line tight until you feel it hit the bottom. And then if it doesn't go down, he's just sitting there holding his mouth.
Rose, are you like Facebook living right now?
I'm not that big on Facebook. I just look at it.
You are. You always send me things.
I know I do stuff like that, but I don't do all that Facebook live crap.
Keep that one.
I didn't even get on Facebook. Ashley signed me up for it.
I swear to God.
There you go.
There you
I can't
go.
believe I caught that tiny,
Oh,
tiny.
be careful.
Tiny little thing.
You'll, there.
Lander over.
There you go.
Two nice ones.
Yeah.
Big old fatties.
I think we're good. We probably have about 20 in there.
Snagged him in the
Yeah, I'm
eye.
gonna kick this one over towards you.
Fish on, baby. Fish on. Get it for you?
I got this. Retreat. Oh. Jacket, shirt, whatever. It's all bloody now. Whatever. I'll wash it. I guess you guys gotta wash it.
Coming your way,
Like
man.
a big man.
I'm gonna stick you again.
Yeah, they're good.
Yeah, those are good ones like that.
Be a little bit more faster up. Fast, yeah. Like jerk it up.
Okay.
And then go down slow.
There you go. Now go down, down, down.
Okay. Let me see that real quick.
Catch the last two. Come on.
I guess I'll fish for it.
Huh?
feel them?
Yeah, I felt them, but I had it all the way. I missed a lot of one.
Boat traffic and all. Catch them.
Gosh, I think it's the side of the boat.
Definitely got snagged up.
We're gonna keep this until we got it healed. Oh, girl, look at you go.
Here fishing.
I think it's time for you to start swimming.
On there with one.
I was catching like this underneath.
Where'd the music go? It's weird.
I turn the GoPro on. When I have a GoPro video going, they don't want to hear your music. They'll decline your video. Nobody can comment on it if you have the video going. I'll turn it
Is it
off for a
blue?
minute.
It looks extra like really.
You guys will be YouTube sensations. This one's gill hook too.
If you guys would hook them faster, they wouldn't die.
Does that mean they're gonna
I'm
bite?
looking right over here. None of my fish died. None. And that thing was really in the water. I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm so
There's
good.
a good one. Can you hold 'em? Can you touch 'em?
Oh, you got
I'll
one.
pet it. I just don't really have any desire to hold it.
It's a lot funner when you're spooning them, man. They put a fight on.
I'm
Yeah, there's
done.
barely any on your side. Look on the look here, they're all on the left side.
I'm still catching it.
Still catching. And he's still holding the reel the wrong way.
Fucking guy. If you had the right fishing pole, it wouldn't be a problem.
Zebco.
Yeah, Zebco 303.
303.
Is all I need, yeah.
And they make 808s for big boys.
Do they?
Yeah, they do.
303 is a nice reel when you
Oh,
start
yeah.
with 33s.
Oh yeah.
Dang, look at that little guy.
Woo!
Everyone knows this, we don't know anyone.
Everybody knows people are, but you don't know any of them.
Well, we've been around on the lake for a while. Most of the people out here kind of know who we are. The orange boat, the blessing.
It's kind of hard to miss this boat.
Yeah. Pretty bright.
That's a fish.
This one?
Oh no, that's somebody.
All right, we're signing off. You guys want to book a trip? 918-864-0562.